What's up, YouTube friends, family, associates, subscribers, and members? Y'all, listen. Y'all already see the title. This is a review for my Temu haul. These are items that I ordered, but I let my daughter from another mother pick them out. Shout out to Nevaeh. That's y'all about to see her in the next few clips. Try on these clothes. Listen, y'all know I've been rooting for Temu for the longest. So with that being said, this video is sponsored by Temu. Come on, come through. Yes, Temu. Y'all know I've been shouting Temu out for the longest before they even decided to sponsor my videos. I've been telling y'all that Temu is like the new everything. Like, they top Amazon. You can't go anywhere and get these clothes and items and household items as cheap as you can on Temu. You can't go anywhere else. The most expensive thing in this haul, as you can see, are the jeans right there for $22.99 and the khakis for $18.49. Everything else under $20, under $10, under $5. This is what she decided to pick out, though. Like, everything was less than, I think, $80 that y'all about to see her try on, okay? Everything. Now, it's back to school time, so if you have children, you can get some of these clothes for your children, the accessories. They got shoes. They have everything. If you don't have children, buy the stuff for yourself. Like, it is cheap, but it's great quality. Y'all remember my review on my bedding? I got the silk sheets, the fitted sheets. I got the curtains. I was like, the curtains almost feel like a brick. They so durable and heavy. Like, you can get whatever you want. You can get light curtains, the medium, the heavy ones, whatever you want. But people just automatically assume, because the things are so cheap on here, 70 cents, 79 cents, $1.99. Like, I don't want that cheap mess. I'm telling y'all, y'all know I don't let anyone sponsor me. I don't promote anybody unless I use them myself. If y'all been watching me for years, y'all know this. I don't care who you are, because many of companies have come to me from TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, emailing me, texting me, calling me, and asking, can they sponsor my videos? But some of their products I don't like, I don't agree with, the prices, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So a lot of people will just jump on it and let anybody sponsor them just to get paid or just to get free items. Y'all don't see me doing a lot of sponsor videos, do you? No, you do not. So if Sade is stamping it and putting her name on it, y'all know it's good, okay? So again, let's get into it. Temu is sponsoring this haul. My daughter at the end, she says, to me. She's trying to be funny, but y'all know it's Temu. This is the first picture. Like I said, those sunglasses right there, 3 of them came in the pack, $4.99, and they are so cute. She got to send me my sunglasses back, of course, because I said I wanted those white ones, and I see she done fell in love with them. There's one pair right there for $3.39. She got 3 outfits in 3 different colors for $10.89. 3 sets. Okay, it was only 2 things, and I think it was the 3 outfits and one of the tops down here that were a little too big for her, because she's really tiny. So she needed them in an extra small, and you see they only had small. That's where you see S4 right there. That's the size small. But as far as their sizing chart and everything, it's kind of right on the money. You know, whatever size you wear, get that size, because she got a small. She knew she wear an extra small, but they didn't have an extra small at the time in the outfits that she wanted. So she just got a small, and they still don't look too bad. You guys are going to see. And then she got 1 pair of sandals down there for $10.99. I actually like everything she picked out. She really liked the khaki pants. She really do. And they look so good on her. And y'all see she got an extra small up there in the khakis, and she got a small in the jeans. So you're about to see exactly how they fit. If you use my link and my code, you can go on and do it by yourself if you want to, but you won't get the deals unless you use my link and my code, okay? I'm going to put everything in the video. It's going to be in the description box under this video, and I may even put it in the comment section pinned to the top, all right? You will get a $100 coupon bundle. You will also get 50% off. And I think you will also get $5 for joining if you've never had a Temu account before. So I know a lot of people like to try to delete the app, re-download it, and try to sign up again. That won't work because it will recognize that you already have an account with that same email, if you know what I'm trying to say, okay? So if you trying to use the same email and phone number and all of that stuff, you cannot get a new account with that same information, all right? So if you already had an account, unfortunately, you cannot get the deals using my link. But if you have a new account, you can utilize my link and get these deals. If it's already this cheap, 50% off, plus $100 coupon bundle, plus $5 for joining. Come on, y'all. This stuff is so affordable. All right? It's very, very affordable. I don't know how much to like instill it in your head. I'm not trying too hard. Y'all know when I go hard about something like this, I believe in it. I'm sitting here trying to figure out how they make money because the stuff is so cheap and it's durable. Like, remember, again, the sheets and the curtains that I bought, I kept saying they feel like bricks. They're so heavy and durable. They're not cheap. Just because something is super cheap, I know we automatically assume, it's going to be something like off Wish. The picture looks like this, but what they sent me don't match. I'm telling you, it was actually the opposite for me. It was better than the picture. All right. So let's get into this review and let's see Nevaeh try on the clothes. And y'all tell me what y'all think. And remember, they have other items too. They have household items. They have personal care items. They have everything. And there's going to be a lot more sponsored videos coming up in the future. Okay, let's get it.
What's up, y'all? I'm here with a Temu haul, and we finna see how these clothes look on me. Alright, so first we're starting off with these blue jean pants. They have pockets in the front, and they fit very nicely, but they're a little baggy. I definitely recommend, and yeah. Next, we have these cargo pants. I really like these, as you can tell. That's why I'm smiling so much. The back fits very nicely, and I definitely recommend them. Okay, next we have this black crop top with the gold pieces on the side. I really like this one. It could be a little bit more tighter, and it's backless, so I really recommend. Now, this black crop top could have been an extra small instead of a small, but it's still cute. Next, I have this gray short piece. It's cute, but the shorts are literally too big. If they had a extra small, it would fit better on me. Okay, this gold bronze one is a little bit better. It could have still been a little tighter with the short set, but it's still cute. Lastly, we have this two-piece short set. It's still kind of baggy, like I said about the last two. They could have did better with the extra small. Don't mind my toes, I didn't do them, but these sandals are really cute. I like the way they fit, and yeah. Now going on to the glasses, we have the Stargirl glasses. These are really cute for a really cute outfit that I could put together. I really like these, and yeah, I will definitely get some more. Now we have this 3-set glasses combo, black, white, and clear, I guess. These black ones are really cute. I'm kind of just showing them off, giving you a little detail. I put them on my head first, and then I put them on my face. Same with the white ones. I put them on my face first, I think, yeah. And then I put them on my head. They are really cute, again, great for an outfit. And then lastly, we have these clear ones. Like I said, I'm going to put them on my face first, and then I'm going to put them on my head. And I like the white ones better than all of them, but this clear one is really, really cute. That's it for today, y'all. Thank you for watching this Temu haul, and I will catch you on the next day. See you later. Also, click the link in my description and get a $100 bundle and an extra 50% off when you use my code at checkout.
So what did y'all think? I want honest opinions about the prices, the looks, everything. Now just imagine when she get done up and do her hair and nails and toes. How them outfits are cute. They are already cute on her. Y'all, I love Temu. I love Temu. If y'all already have an account and know somebody else, share the video. Share my link. It's going to help them. Any way that I can help y'all save a coin, y'all know your girl Sade gonna come through and help you save a coin. Okay? Okay. All right. Y'all, please, please, please subscribe if you haven't already. Click that black subscribe button under the video. It's right under there. You see it. Everything black ain't free. I know I ain't, honey. Please give the video a thumbs up, meaning like it. If you dislike it, hell, be honest and give it a thumbs down. And if you really dislike it and dislike me and just come over here and get information and don't want to send credit where credit is due and say, hey, cat dog or nothing, you know what's for you, honey. Please tell a friend to tell a friend about Sade with the receipts. And please go get you some deals under this video using my link at Temu. Okay? You can't lose. You can't lose. Even if you get one outfit at a time. I've done that because I didn't have the money. Had $10 in my account or $20. And shipping ain't high either. Like, and sometimes it's free shipping. I'm not sure if you get free shipping with my link or not, but we will find out. Somebody will tell me and we'll see. But you get a lot of perks for using my link. It's my first video being sponsored by them, so I may be leaving out a lot, but you bets to believe it will be in the description box if I'm leaving out anything, and pinned in the comment section at the top. Just give me time, okay? So yeah, go ahead and save you some coins. Get over there to Temu and rack up. Like I said, you can get one outfit a week, the next outfit the next week, a pair of shoes 1 week, however you want to do it. You don't be pressured to get a whole bunch of stuff at once. And it is addicting. Fair warning. It's addicting. You'll be on there buying everything, and I promise you it's better than Amazon. I was addicted to Amazon at one point, but Temu, honey, the prices are just too good. It's unbelievable. Literally unbelievable. I still can't believe it. Okay, and this is a site that I trust. I trust with my information. If you're skeptical, use PayPal. You know what I'm saying? But again, when my name's stamped on it, I don't need nobody coming back blaming Sade for anything. So that's why I'm very careful about who I promote, what I promote, and who I let sponsor me. If I trust them, basically I'm saying you guys should as well. But I don't want to tell y'all what to do because I always tell people don't trust no one. Trust no one. But I trust Temu. As for now, and all these months, and I think actually over a year now, because I first used them, I think over a year ago, Christmas, not last Christmas, but maybe the Christmas before, maybe last year, I don't know, but it's been about a year, and I haven't had any problems thus far. The packages come quick, you know. Of course, it's not quicker than Amazon Prime, like next day, but they do come pretty fast. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. And last but not least, please share if you dare, honey. And I will see y'all on the next video. Toodles.